जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, क्या नाम है आपका?
वालेकुम सलाम, आई एम मुनीब अहमद।
मुनीब अहमद, डीएमटी में क्या सीखा आपने? कहाँ से आए हैं और जो यहाँ से सीखा उसके बारे में अपना एक्सपीरियंस हमसे शेयर करें।
So first of all, I would like to thank you for the opportunity to speak on your platform. So basically, I'm Muneeb Ahmed Cheema. I have done my master's in digital marketing from London. So now might be possible that many people think that if you already have the master's degree, then why you join the DMT for the short course? So on your platform behalf, I would like to make it clear that a degree, no matter where you get it from, you get it from Pakistan, you get it from UK, or even from the USA. So it only give you a basic knowledge, maturity, and work ethics, and to polish you to basically give you a basic understanding to how to live a balanced life. But when it comes to a specialized training, so you need a special training from an expert like Sir Naim. So that's why I'm here. I joined DMT. And I would say I feel myself lucky on this decision because the DMT grows in terms of exposure, technical expertise, and the way to deal the things more technically. So for this, I would like to thank you, Sir Naim, Sir Imran, Zain and entire DMT team for the wonderful guidance and support. And so, yeah, thank you so much. And I would definitely recommend anyone who is interested in digital marketing, web development, or anything, any related field.
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू मुनीब।